Hello friends, welcome to Initial Solution. Today I will show you how to connect FileZilla with GoDaddy cPanel. So I will share you. So first of all, you need to create the FTP access. If you have already FTP access, so you can ignore it. But if you have no FTP access, then you can just create from here. You can just click, then it will go into the FTP page. Then you can put the FTP username like FileZilla. Only file, okay, no problem. Then put the password. You can copy, then use. Then you can just create FTP access. All right. After FTP access creation done, now we will show you how to access it FileZilla. All right. So you can just type FileZilla. If you have already installed FileZilla software, if you have no don't download, then you can just download from FileZilla official website. Here will be the password, and then this is the username. You can put the username and server port as usual 21. Then you can just click quick connect. Then it will take little bit time for the connection. Server is not connected. Let's try again. Now we can just put domain name. Now working good. No need the mention the FTP dot. You can just put the main domain name. Then you can got the access. If you have looked, then you can just see the just access the files with the FileZilla. So you can use according to my guideline. But if you have face any problem, you can just comment on the YouTube comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.